Kuti probably when Joshua Ngomo said to his supporters, go there and be part and parcel of them, but know where you stand. Probably he said, Becky, correct me if if I'm right, because you brought this up. Was it because he wanted to prevent the unnecessary beatings and the unnecessary death of his people? Yes.
Yeah, that one is there
Yes.
was a reason.
So
There was
no,
a
no, wait,
reason.
wait, yeah, wait. So that was the reason, right? But now we are looking at a situation whereby people do not have anything chekuti vararame nacho, ndosaka vamwe vacho vakuenda kunotora mahandouts aya, but ivo vari kuzviitira for the reason yekuti vawanewo chekubata kana kuti vawanewo chekuita, handiti, as opposed to just sitting down. But probably when it matters most, vanogona kuti kana election yauya vanoziva nhingi pekunovhotera.
VP Chiwenga warned President Mnangagwa to stop 2030 agenda since citizens are coming to Chiwenga's inbox pushing him to stop the movement. Vice President Chiwenga spends an entire day confronting President Mnangagwa over the controversial 2030 leadership extension agenda. Chiwenga tells the president that pushing beyond the 2028 constitutional limit will end in tears, warning that citizens are not genuinely supporting the plan. According to the narrative, he explains that people only appear supportive because they are being given cars, donations, and material incentives, but privately they want leadership renewal. Chiwenga highlights deep divisions inside party structures, saying many members are urging him to stop the agenda because they believe he represents their only hope for stability and constitutional order. He tells Mnangagwa that continuing with the 2030 project is already damaging unity and creating dangerous factionalism. The VP, in this fictional account, advises the president to respect the 2028 limit if he wants to be remembered positively in history. He warns that forcing a continuity agenda against public sentiment would turn the nation against him and undermine his legacy. Citizens in this narrative are increasingly vocal, calling on Chiwenga to intervene and stop what they view as a move that would betray the nation. His strong words are seen as a major moment in the internal political struggle, signaling growing resistance to the 2030 plan.
Wait, when does my brother? Let me explain. I'm saying when does now? Do you know that if you reject it, it will mean as if they give you a car and you reject it, you may die for that, for rejecting what they gave you. I hope I'm clear that you can actually die for rejecting.
On that right. One, I'm inclining to what Becky is saying. Sometimes it's now a matter of how our people think, because kuramba vauya zvavo vanhu vaya kuchitora
tatenda guys, all of you when you accept that gift, you have put yourself in a position to be offered that gift. Saka watogara uri rogo. Don't try, guys, and sanitize things which are bad.
Mwendazi ndingitira kuti tipindirane paexample yapiwa naBheki kuti probably when Joshua Ngomo said to his supporters, go there and be part and parcel of them, but know where you stand. Probably he said, Becky, correct me if I'm right, because you brought this up. Was it because he wanted to prevent the unnecessary beatings and the unnecessary death of his people? Yes.
Yeah, that one is there was a reason.
So no, wait. Yeah, wait. So that was the reason, right? But now we are looking at a situation whereby people do not have anything chekuti vararame nacho, ndosaka vamwe vacho vakuenda kunotora mahandouts aya, but ivo vari kuzviitira for the reason yekuti vawanewo chekubata kana kuti vawanewo chekuita, handiti, as opposed to just sitting down. But probably when it matters most, vanogona kuti kana election yauya vanoziva nhingi pekunovhotera. Saka mubvunzo wangu inini kwamuri Bheki na Mwendazi, zvinhu izvi zvakafanana here? That is my question.
It's totally different because
How is it
yeah,
different?
the difference is the other people were already prosecuted. It was a number of people. You are talking about a constituency in about 1,000 people who have been prosecuted with ambiguity for them to vote. Apa munhu akupiwa motikari munhu one. Do we really care about that one vote? Munhu one. It's not a bunch of 1,000 people who are benefiting. There's a huge difference. And what we are talking about, my resources, they could have supplied the hospital for a month.
Right.
You know what I mean? Equating to that. But
When does?
yeah.
Right.
So is
Okay,
there one thing is Nyamashisha?
When does?
Sometimes
I'm going to come to you.
Sometimes we try and support ZANU-PF strategies. If something is wrong, it doesn't matter, it's wrong. We have to advocate what is right. Izvi zvokuti tinokusanitiza kuti taakunzwira tisi kuti apa mwanozouraiwa munhu. Vanhu vari kupa motikari ka vanhu vagara vatori vanhu vezanu kudhara. So I don't understand kuti there's no ambiguity apa and so forth. But on the side yeKwankomo, he was talking about the opposition which was being prosecuted. It's totally different worlds. And even
Right. Saka Beki. Right. Saka Beki. Uri kuwirirana here nezvekutaurwa naMwendas. I mean, Mwendas is raising a point yekuti under Ngomo you'd find kuti there was a whole tribe that was under threat. And these guys needed to do something to prevent the continued shedding of blood. But on this one here, it's totally different because it's just individuals who are being given, these cars. And it is a selfish decision that people are making to say, let me just go there and accept, this car. And if you look at it, there is no untoward danger that will come to them if they refuse, this car. This is what Mwenda seem to be saying. What's your take on that?
I still believe though the circumstances might look a bit different, but they are the same in the sense that ZANU-PF still is doing it for political mileage. And Mwenda says that most of them, he says all these guys are ZANU, but if you look at some of these guys who received cars, they are not ZANU. That's not ZANU. Like Charambas.
Can you name some who are not ZANU?
Charamba.
The Charambas
Charamba
not ZANU. Iwe?
My friend.
Mwenda uri Charamba izanu unekadi rake rezanu.
Charamba inini akaridzirwa album nemunin'ina wangu keyboard. Ndinomuziya.
Mwendas ndakubvunza kuti angojet kuti ndizvizire Bheki kuti Bheki ataranzi hapana zvatongona kuisa Mnangagwa is gonna go on 2030. That notion wazwana kupi izvozvo?
I'm looking at ourselves. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm discouraging, but I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to look at it from the perspective, Kuti. We don't have. I mean, I'm not seeing the mood in trying to resist what's happening. I mean, everything. I mean, we failed to resist a simple thing, Chabangu taking over. We failed. That was the easiest thing we could have resisted. Now, can we resist 2030, gentlemen? Let's be honest. I mean, maybe we need to encourage.
No, Becky, there's nothing to resist. Is emotion which is not in parliament. Zvafane kuti uda kunotaura kumaprista kuti ndisungire mbavha chabamba kwangu mangwana. Ndozvauda kutaura panapa. Unorisisa chiko chinji. Zviri kupi zvauda kurisisa panapa?
It's already there.
Kupi kwacho?
It's there.
Zviri kupi?
It's my friend, do you know? Let me tell you. What I'm saying is these guys are already making noise. They're talking about it. Jumping up and down. 2030. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we?
Saka Bheki uda kuti tiende kumapurisa toti vakomana kuti anoiza vachazoda kupa kwangu ngativasunge. Ndozvakutaura kai.
I am simply saying, can I see let's see the campaign, let's see the running, let's see. I'm not seeing it from the people. ZANU is clear and they're doing it on the streets. Right now, go to Monday.
Rules of rules. Nyaenda ku parliament. Your table of parliament. Then the time of tabling that 2030 is over. Full stop. Don't go to 2030. It's over. The time frame, the application of it is over. It's not applicable in terms of time frame of rules of parliament.
Okay.
Right. Okay.
All right. Anyway, that's another issue. But I'm simply saying, Mwenas, I'm just gonna finish. Mwenas, if anyone resists, I'm thinking it will come for you. I'm telling you, if they come with a car and you refuse, Mwenas. Anyway.
My guti vakaramba mudhara wekufa musuno vakaramba.
They were given. My guti was given that one.
Unonzi achibheki ka. It seems like ukutoinsista. You know what you are doing, which means iwewe ukatovingwa unototora motikari ka iwewe bhekiwo.
But I'm very honest. When does
get away. Right,
I'll take it in Zakamenas. I'll take it and then I'll sell it. And then I'm gonna listen, I'll donate to the opposition that money. I'll do that. I mean, for them to remove that.
Conditions emotikari iyo aurungotanga kungotaura kudai so. Unoitengeserani uchidonata kunani? Iwe wambe ngwandiko ukairamba unouraiwa. Bheki
right, all right, guys. Mkoma Stephen, see special 7.
Uncle Jed, how are you and everyone else?
I am good, my brother. Thank you very much, for holding. I appreciate.
No worries. Thank you so much. I think let me begin by maybe supporting Becky a little bit. I think he had a very good point about Joshua Nkomo. He should have just taken it further to say even Nelson Chamisa at some point did advise the supporters to go if there's anything being given by ZANU-PF when they are having their rally. Go and collect that, and as soon as you have collected those gifts coming from ZANU-PF, you can quickly come back and we will reconvene our
when
meeting.
When did he say that? Guys,
he's on public record.
I'm gonna go jump out defender.
He is on public record.
Okay.
I'm going to do it. Okay, Mira, you need to say this is Mira.
Uncle Jedza. Yainzi mango operation kuti yellow inside green outside ndo paenzi ena unotora zvinhu zveZANU-PF. Yakatangira
kumabvunzo. Havana kutenda zvakanziko kana zviofewa unzi mukupuhwa muconstituency. You just take it because zvikupuhwa munhu wese.
Ndokutora kwacho.
Kutora. It's your benefit irikupuhwa munhu wese muconstituency. Yes. Because mukati kutora ka.
But ZANU are beyond my cars. I mean, apart from my cars. I didn't want to find my rallies my constituencies. Saka mwe munhu angofunga feka hake t-shirt yake ZANU akanomira pamutsetse uri kupiwa nhingi 2 pisa apane chakaipera.
Nyamashisha. Isi problem ile tikazvita contextualize in a way yokuti vanhu vakutonobenefita zvinofanirwa kunge chipuwa ZANU chete. Because kana iri command ngini fertilizer kana kuti mbeu inenge ichifanirwa kubenefita every Zimbabwean. That's what he was talking about. Not kuti unopuhwa ma t-shirt eZANU. Hayi mikwana